Hello and welcome to the tutorial for how to activate and use Captcha. We're going to start from when the email is received from after you purchased, and if you purchased today, thank you for your support. First, you want to open up your email and go to the email that you purchased with. You'll see an email that looks somewhat like this. It may not be the same or it may have updated since this video was uploaded. You will have information containing your license, the link to join the Discord, as well as the link to sign up to Captcha. You may go ahead and click on the link, as well as join the Discord. Once you join the Discord, you should go to the How to Activate section channel to and read what it says here. To activate, DM at Captcha Manager the command role ID. You'll find the exact command under Connect Discord in the dashboard. Then to redeem your license, go to Manage Licenses at the top, hit Redeem. Enter the license given to you, and then hit the Redeem button. So here, you'll want to sign up. I will be using the temporary email I generated for this video. Demo video. Once you sign up successfully, it will say sent a verification email to you. Go check. At this point, just refresh your email and wait for the email to come in. Then, once you receive the email, click on the link. You will be instantly logged in. This is the only time you will be logged in automatically. After this point, once you log out, you will have to type your email, password, and CAPTCHA. Here, you'll want to go to Manage Licenses. As you can see, you don't have any licenses, as this is a new account. As said in here, to check the command role ID, go to Dashboard, click on Connect Discord, and you'll see a command here. Copy this entire command, open the DM with the bot, and send the command to the bot. It will now respond with "You now have the lifetime role." Now go back into the Discord, and you will see there are many more channels. This is because you are now a verified purchaser of Captcha, and once again, thank you for your support. Now, go to changelogs, and you can see what has changed in the most recent versions. For now, we'll want to go to downloads, go to the most recent download, and download for Windows or Mac, depending on your OS. For this video, we will be using Windows. I already have it installed and updated to v2.1, so I will not be doing this step. This step can change on future versions, but relatively it will stay the same. Next, you'll want to make sure you own your license. Go back to your thank you for your purchase email, copy your license, and go to the dashboard. Go to Dashboard, Manage Licenses, Redeem License, copy and paste the license you were given in the email, and hit Redeem. If you see redeemed license successfully, that means the license you received was valid, has not been redeemed before or already, is valid for Captcha, and now you own a license of Captcha on your dashboard, shown here. This is your license ID. This is mainly used if you ever need support for your license. Your license key is shown here for future use in case you want to switch between computers and do not feel like checking your email. Current status will tell you if your license is unlocked, locked, or transferring. When you transfer licenses, you can transfer it to a different email that allows you to either resell or simply give away your license if you feel like you no longer have a need for it. Computer name will show the name of the computer that is currently using Captcha. You can only use Captcha on one computer at a time. Owner shows your own username. Demo video. This is mainly for debugging purposes, but onwards we go. You will want to copy your license now and open Captcha. You'll be greeted to a license here screen where you have to copy your license and hit Authenticate. You will be shown this screen, and if you are to go back to Manage Licenses and reload, you will see that your current status is now locked and your desktop is shown here. If you were to try using this license on another computer, it would fail. You would have to click the Unlock button first. Make sure you do not have the Captcha open when you click Unlock, otherwise it'll relock itself. Now to create a task. Simply hit on Create Task, type in your email, here you can decide how many tasks you want to create. For this video I will be making one, but in the future you can use as many as you like. Here you can also select what proxies you'd like to use. You can do that by typing in here. Every proxy should go on a new line. And then hit Save Proxies. Go to Create Task, select Proxy, and the proxies you saved are now here. For this video, we will not be using any proxies. Hit on Create Task, type up the email you would like to use, and select a module. The Google module will simply search on Google for random terms and interact with pages from results. The YouTube module will go around watching YouTube videos. The Google and YouTube module will create two tasks, a Google task and a YouTube task, using the same information given here, aka the same proxies and the same amount of tasks to create. Pookie does not utilize the task email given, and randomly browses Supreme in order to trick Pookie into thinking you are a human. This decreases your chances of getting hit with a Captcha during Supreme checkout. For this video, we will be using the Google and YouTube module. Hit Create. If you see Task Created, Successfully Started Task, hit OK, and you will be redirected back to the main page. Now you see you have two tasks ready, Google and YouTube. You go ahead and hit Start All. A window will pop up, prompting you to log in. Simply sign in. As you can see, only one task was started. One task is currently running, and the other task says Task Not Ready, Authenticate First. What this means is that when you create a task with 2 emails or more, you simply have to log into the one first, and now you can go ahead and start the other. Go to Task Logs to see what the tasks are currently doing. For example, the YouTube task is currently watching this YouTube video, and the Google task is currently searching for Cornell properties and waiting a minute before going back to Google and interacting with the page during that minute. We can go back to tasks now. You can pause tasks by hitting the pause button, or you can pause all tasks by hitting the pause all button. When it says pausing task, that means the task is currently finishing what it is doing, and the task is not currently paused. Once it switches to paused task, that means the task is currently doing nothing and idling. Once a task is paused, the time stops incrementing. You can verify if the task paused successfully by going to Task Logs and checking if the pause command was received. Now, go to Settings. You can change how frequently you clear the log in intervals of 5 minutes up to every day. For this, we will simply choose 2 hours. You can also enable dark mode to make the screen darker. This helps with seeing during night, and generally some people like darker programs, such as Twitter Dark. You can also close the program, relaunch, and it will automatically authenticate your license, and your task will automatically be recreated. You can also delete task, create another task using the same email, and because you've already signed in with this email before, you no longer have to type up your email again. Simply delete all. And if you would like to, if you are having issues with logging in, be sure to use the Purge Cache button. This will delete all quick login sessions, as well as all currently running tasks. Hit Purge. That is all for Evan Captcha's tutorial video. Thank you for your time, and hope you have fun getting 1 clicks.